Yeah, good day, good day. Uh, we are here at number 13 Ravenscraig. As you can see, the new window was installed, and the other one at the back here. All these windows are in the kitchen. This one we raised it up. It was successfully raised up. New door was installed. The new door was installed, and the plaster work was done. As you can see now, the walls have been crickstoned so long because we are behind time, so we are plastering the areas which are ready for plaster now, for primer. Yeah, the electrical piping has been done on the floors, all the electrical. And the plumbing. And the ceiling was dropped with 100.